and welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you probably, not that you already know what this unboxing is all about because you must have seen the title and the thumbnail, of course. This box is so cute. Wait until I show you what this month has, okay? I haven't seen it, but I can just imagine because of the theme. But I have not opened any of the boxes yet. I will be doing that with you guys. But I can't remember if it was January or February that I did the unboxing for it. But this box, guys, it is called the Confetti Grace. And right now they have, I'm actually on their website right now, and I am reading that it says get both the February and March little boxes with Easter themes for just $37. Wow, that's a steal. And I will tell you guys why. Last month we did February. I'm right. Okay, we did February. I received so much stuff. I will link that video on the description down below for you guys, so you guys can go back. If you haven't done so, if you have not watched that video, you guys can go watch it because it is such a nice video. And make sure you also follow me on my Instagram account because I posted pictures of what my project looked like. Yes, I was happy. It came out really cute. Okay, guys, so this box, they have monthly and they have bi-monthly DIY projects for you guys. So I will leave you guys prices and all that good stuff on the description box below. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I tell you guys about this box. This box is so, this box explains itself. Wait until I show you guys. You receive I think you receive stuff, you receive everything that you need for 2 projects. That's what the February box was for. You can do this with a friend, you can gift this, you can do it with your kids, you can do it with your partner. It's just one of those boxes that it's family and everything friendly, seriously. But that's it, guys. I received 2 boxes. I received 2 boxes this month, okay? I don't know if it was a mistake or what it was, but we're gonna check it out. Let's go with the smaller box first. So this is the first one that I received, okay? First box that I received. Let's check it out. Let's take everything out. Okay, I'm getting everything out. I don't want nothing to fall. Okay, that's what my package looks like. Oh, I see some nice colors. I see some Easter. I can't talk. I see some Easter colors. All right. So each project, every time you receive your project, you are going to receive one of these. What is this? I will tell you right now. This is your information card. This is your how-to. This is everything. So when you unbox your package, make sure you do not throw this out because this is everything. This is really everything for this box. I got stuck there for a minute. Okay, so this is March Little Bunny Signs 2022. So okay, this is the little box that when I first started the video, I was reading about a special that they have going on. So this is one of those items that you will receive. Okay, so this one, it says here, before beginning, you will want to gather something to cover your painting surface, a pair of scissors, and a fine tip black pen. A toothpick can be helpful when painting the beads. Ooh. So it says here, number 1, it says be creative and personalize your paint color choices. You can make lighter pastel colors or create a color. You can mix, it's your project, guys. They give you everything, but it's at the end is your project. You do what you wish, as long as you follow instructions, because you don't want your project to look different than what it actually is. I do not recommend that at all. Okay, so it says here, we made a beautiful green for the stained look. We watered down the brown paint before applying. Make sure all of the painted surfaces are completely dry. Then it's time to add the bunnies to the sign. So you're gonna receive all the instructions as you can see there, and then it shows you everything of how your project should look like. Ooh, this is gonna be so exciting. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, seriously, because I will be posting maybe end of the week or something like that, how my project looked like. Okay, let's see the actual items then. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't want to drop anything. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is going to be it's going to be a glue stick. That's one thing, guys. They supply you with everything. Everything. We have like a foam stick in white. We have a tacky glue. We have, what are these? I don't want to drop these. Okay, we have like two of them here. I don't know if they go with the they're supposed to hold the paint. Hold on. The paintbrush. So that's probably what it is. Let's see. Yep, that's what it was. Okay, hold on. Okay. So you have your paintbrush. Let me take the paint out of here so you guys can see it. Just don't want to drop my stuff. All right, hold on. Okay, and that's what the paintbrush looks like. Put that back in there. Okay, what else do we have here? Well, we have a lot. We have a lot of stuff in here. Okay, we have, look how pretty this is packaged. I don't want to drop everything. Okay. So we have the paints. Look how beautiful the colors are. We have that nice white. We have that beautiful pink. That yellow is so pretty. We have that aqua, bluish, turquoise, light turquoise color. And we have the brown one as well. And these are a good amount of paint. Okay. And then we have, ooh, we have some bunnies here. We have some cutout bunnies. I'll show you guys. What's in here? Okay, we have some little hanging clips as well. You have to, you see that there? And then we have a bunch of these little bunnies. Hold on. Okay, there we go. And there are a few of those, as you can see. Look at that. Okay, we have that. I don't want to lose them, so bear with me because I want to put them back inside the plastic bag. Don't want to lose any of these stuff. Okay, and then we have the actual board here, the wood base. I will call this the base because this is where my bunnies and everything's gonna go. And then on the back it has a hanging clip there for you guys. And then we have more stuff. Okay, we have stuff inside here, and these are going to be, ooh, okay, so it says hello spring, right? I think that's what it says. Hello, no, it says hello. Oh, it does. Okay, it says hello spring. Okay, I was right. Look how adorable they are. So I received 2 of each because, like, again, they send you enough stuff for 2 projects. You get to do 2 projects, so you get to do it with whoever you wish, or you want you can do it, just do it yourself, and you do them differently. And then we have some wooden round shapes here, and we have a rope here. Okay, let me put this to the side. And then what else do we have here? Okay, we have a gift. Oh my god, this was so exciting from the last, oh, I forgot to show you guys. You have yourself a paintbrush. And then they also, this is so cool, they send you a gift bag. So if you want to keep one and you want to gift one, yes, you can do it. Because they send you everything. They send you the gift bag, they send you the paper, they send you the gift tag and the little ribbon to attach it. Isn't that adorable? I think it is. I think it's like super, super adorable. Oh my goodness, guys. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to do this project. This one is going to, and it says here, cut a very small square of the white foam to put behind the bunnies for dimension. Glue the foam to the bunny, then add to the sign. So yes, you have everything. And again, this is going to be, look how pretty that is. This is going to be what my beads, my wooden beads are going to look like. And that's what this project should look like. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so now we're going to unbox the other one, because I have 2 boxes for this video. Okay, so this one, so I believe that was probably the monthly box. And now this one is the March-April bunny pedestal box. So this is the bi-monthly box is this one now. Okay, so again, before you begin, it's going to tell you what you need, everything that you need. And then this is what everything that's what it should look like. So in this project, we are going to be creating some bunny, what was it? Some bunny pedestals. Ooh, look how pretty. They are so adorable. And I love that they send you everything. You probably need scissors and like something very minor, like nothing, no big deal at all. This is what this box looks like. Okay, let's get to it. Ooh, goodness, this is so adorable. Just by looking at it, it's like spring, Easter. Look, right? Okay. Ooh, okay, so look, first item that I'm pulling out is going to be these here. There's a nice quantity here. I will take them out so you guys can see. Ah, and I just dropped it's to the edge of the box. Okay, I saved it. Okay. They smell so good. This is supposed, okay, so we have that, and it's a lot in there. Okay, we have, I love how they put everything together, like they use the little rope ribbon type thing. So we have paint. So here we have the cameo pink, we have cloudless, and we have snow white. And remember, you can use these colors, or you can mix these colors too. Make your project pop. Make that project look absolutely gorgeous. Make it look different. Like, we have another brush for this project. We have another thinner paint brush here. Okay, we have these here. Oops. So these are your foams. These are circle foams. So we have 2 because we have stuff to make 2 projects. Always remember that. You're always going to receive 2 of each. So we have 2 round wooden pieces here. We have the pedestals here. We have 2. We have, what's in here? Let's see what this is. Ooh, these are like maybe to light up your project. Are these lights? No way, guys, look at this. This is so, oh my god, this is gonna look so adorable. So we have some lights, some string lights, and we should probably, I don't know if I'm gonna have 2 of those or what, but right now, oh yep, okay, 2. Okay, we have some like egg-shaped beads, wooden beads, or just little egg shapes, wooden egg shapes. We have this beautiful flower. Oh, we have 2 trees here. Are these trees? No, they're not trees. They're like a bunch of leaves. So we have a bunch of leaves. We have the flowers. We have a butterfly in here. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. So we have little butterfly cutouts in purple. We have some wooden sticks in here. So this bag is just full of goodies to put on your project. And then, I don't know if I already showed you guys this, but I don't know. So we have the tacky glue, and we have our glue stick. What is this? We have something else in here. Let's check it out. Okay, so these are just 2 screws here. We're probably gonna need that 2 screws. It's probably gonna be for this here. No, how does this go? Probably for that. I don't know if that's how it goes. Let's see. Nope. It goes this way. So it goes this way. This is gonna be so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay. I love, love, love receiving these type of boxes because these are not things that you're just gonna put aside. These are actually things that you're gonna do. You're gonna have fun. You're gonna have fun with the family. You're gonna have fun with whoever you want. Oh, and we have something else in here. So we have this thing here. This is probably to put together